Okay, now welcome, and now we will give you a brief review of how to do your paper 4. Now, do take note that you will have these 5 items on your left, on your right. It will be this particular 5 items: snipping tool, testing, AbleWord, PyCharm Community Edition, and My Folder. Okay, now first thing first is your My Folder. Please rename it to My Folder underscore your name. Okay, now when you open up the My Folder, you will see until something like this, a Python project. Your source file is inside the Python project. Please do not touch this tool. Go to your source file, you'll see your evidence doc. That is where you need to copy and paste your program code and put in the screenshot for the output of your program right here. And this will be the text files that's required for you to complete the paper. Okay, now if you should be able to have the AbleWord to open, then what you need to do is you're able to create your name. Your center number is MY415, and you put your candidate number. Okay. Okay. So now once you double check able to open your AbleWord ready, the next thing is to now check how do you open a Python file. Okay. Now first open PyCharm Community Edition. You will have something like this. Okay. Click open. Do not click. Now you'll see something like this: my folder, your name. Find for my folder, your name. Desktop, my folder, your name. Search for Python project. Click OK once you search for the Python project. It will look like something like this. Okay. Now what you should see is you should see the venv library root. Do not touch that. And now you'll see until your source file. Under the source file there is where you create your Python file. Right click, new Python file right here. Okay, so let's just say I call this question 1. Now, to ensure there is no problem with your Python file, open up the text file, copy this text file, paste it right here, run it. Okay, so now I put a number 10, number 12. Okay, so this shows that your PyCharm is working as expected. For whatever file that you create, question 1, 2, and 3, please always open it under the source file itself, under Python project. Now, should you decide to copy, okay, let's just say you decided to copy, please copy, open up AbleWord, okay, paste unformatted text. Okay, let's reiterate again. Right click, paste unformatted text. Okay, make it non-italic, change this to consolas. You can use current new, I prefer to use consolas. That way you can see, the examiner can see your indentation clearly. Why do I choose to paste with unformatted text? So that you don't have the black color, make it harder for the marking schemer to review your paper. Okay, now imagine that under here you have to paste a screenshot. Okay, so for example, the screenshot will be the output right here. Okay, now what you do is open up your snipping tool, click new, and then let's just say you want to take like this. Okay, copy the output. Okay, now go to the AbleWord, paste. That's it, and that's how you paste your screenshot. With that being said, there's one thing nice about PyCharm is that it will always automatically save your work from time to time, so you don't have to worry about PyCharm. But you need to ensure that you save your file in AbleWord for every 10 minutes. So under here, file, save. Go to desktop, my folder, Python project source file. Let's just say, okay, there you have it. Now you're able to save as evidence dot. Okay, should you not be able to save as docx, save as evidence dot doc. Okay, with that being said, thank you very much.